I see you know your motorbikes well.
I need
You know your motorbike well.
Fucking hell no.
So you're not going the inside.
Oh mate. Oh,
Those grips are lovely.
yeah, mine are. Oh fuck me. Mine are
Yeah,
just.
I found out why the old one stopped. But geezer, instead of wiring them from the battery, he'd done it from the fag lighter. But the cable, he'd bundled it up too tight, and it was too tight for when you turned the bars.
Oh my
and
god.
It'd cut through the power cable.
What a fucking geezer.
So that's why they kept going on and off before, because there was weak connection.
What?
Yeah, it's just.
What a G for doing that,
Yeah,
man. Oh my god.
So I've wired them in properly to the fucking battery.
Straight to the battery. You don't need to do a switch live.
Yeah, well, it's easy on this. Literally, this panel here. You pop that little top one out, and all this comes off, and you can run cables down there.
Oh, beautiful. So you don't need to fucking strip.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I slip and fall now, that'd be it. That'd be hilarious. Oh yeah, I can see there's like a line of fucking ice here. Hold on, slam my brake on. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that was a bit of locking.
Yeah. Yeah, that was straight up blockage. Is that frozen? The little stream? Nah, it don't seem to be. No. It's nice how they've cut everything down here so you can actually see.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nice. It looked nice before, to be fair, but I'm going to put my heated grips on, man. Fuck this.
Yes. I'm loving them. Absolutely loving them.
Yeah. Good morning. How are we? Happy New Year. Oh. Oh, good morning, brother. You good?
Oh, good.
Yeah. What's up, bro? You good?
Good, mate. Yeah.
Oh, Elliot's here. Ah, sweet. I didn't even see his bike, to be fair. I'm still fucking half asleep. Morning, brother. You good? Fucking hell, that is bad. That is bad. Ooh, feel how slippy that is.
Yeah, my son hasn't christened this yet.
No. Christened.
Oh, this is fun. We like this corner.
I don't.
It's always been a dodgy corner, even in the
I
drive.
probably like it better if it was like fucking 30 degrees.
Another man over in the middle.
Oh, bit more ice in the middle, watch it.
Okay, now.
And up here. Oh yeah, quite a bit up here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's like easy.
The tyre tracks look okay though, don't they?
Yeah, where the cars have been,
Cars have been alright. Yeah.
How far we got up here?
My vape liquid's going to be frozen, man, from by the time I'm going to have it like an ice lolly. Nicotine fucking chocolate.
Are we heading left up there or straight on still?
No, we're going to go straight through the town.
Oh fuck me. I wonder what the fuck that was. I thought, no, my bike's falling apart. Shake it and bake it. Oh mate. Oh mate, the fuel smell. Oh yes.
Eric stopped at the end, he's having second thoughts. He's like, nah.
Yeah, nah.
Right, very fucking careful down here.
Yeah.
Send it.
Yeah.
Slam your rear brake on, you'll see how sleepy it is then. Probably not in front of Josiah though.
Oh, it's okay out of the trees. Yeah, it's dry here.
Yeah, we went to turn left into here, but it wasn't the place.
Right.
You have to carry on all the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
That's it, look how much grip you've got, Elliot.
Fuck. Get back to the middle. Mate, it's a big old place, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like markets up on the other side.
They do quite decent breakfast here. And
It's a car park, it's probably going to be dookie.
Jizzy.
Oh shit. Oh Oh shit, where are we going?
What we got, Dave?
So, this is icy, man.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh yeah, if you put your feet down, it is fucking slippy, man.
It's slippy as fuck, man.
Yeah.
Jesus. Oh, rear brake it is. Oh. You two gone in there?
Why is it so busy?
Ah.
Uncle Elliot's favourite surface.
What the fuck, boys?
Oh boy.
Oh my life. There you go, Josiah. Grab onto that with your tips. Is that a little burnout?
She couldn't.
No.
I was
She
compromised.
said nah.
I wouldn't with the front end slippy.
No, it'll just drag you along anyway.
Cheers, Dave.
Oh.
When we got up this morning, it's very icy, very icy. It was -1 this morning when we set off. It's about 2 degrees now. It is freezing, to be honest, but we wanted to go out. Everybody wanted to go for a little spin. What date is it? I don't even know what date it is today. What is it? The 3rd of January, Saturday. And as you can see, yeah, roads still haven't quite melted yet, but yeah, we're at Touchdown Calf, which is a airfield, and it serves some really, really nice breakfast here. So yeah, and I'll check in with yous a bit later. Peace.
Right in there, right in there. Yeah, we are loaded.
I see you know your motorbikes well.
I need
You know your motorbike well.
I need fuel shortly.
Oh,
Do you need petrol? Sound, there's somewhere we can stop in Morton in Marsh, Elliot.
Moreton.
Try it. I'm scared.
Yeah, just easy on the throttle and the clutch and no brake.
I'm frightened.
I'm scared, Jackie. Oh yeah, they're warming up now.
Yeah, like I said, if I get a good set of hitting grip,
They're warming up now.
Yeah.
It's like no.
You look good on that bike, Elliot.
There you go.
Well, that's alright, it's when I get going.
Slowly warming.
Yes.
Yeah, I've decided to put my heating vest on setting nuttons number 2. I now feel like ready, Rick.
Is it good?
Oh yes, it's nice.
Ah, cunt.
It's just so simple. I mean,
I love you, really.
Yeah, if I get these grips as well, these will be fucking awesome.
Yeah, man.
The nice thing comfy anyhow, just to wear.
Just a nuclear power station, Lou.
Yeah.
If you crash, fuck me, the explosion from you.
Yeah, pretty like Chernobyl.
Just a big pusher and clown of me walking out from the middle.
That's right.
Penguin.
Penguin!
What a hot woman. Any Top truck car and it's slowing that out.
Yeah.
Just a gentle push in it.
I didn't pop.
Yeah, and all.
Big fucking truck.
Here we go. Right, we swap out to E5, I know because this is where we stopped when we came
on
back
the way
from
back from
London.
London.
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
Oh, there's lots of shit in the middle.
Mate, look at the snow on the pavement.
I don't need fuel some more.
That's
Oh, mate,
mental.
very obviously on the exit of the car park, Mark.
Mate, that is.
I am alright, but I am going to top up as well.
Yeah. I'm going to go and, I don't know where I'm going to wait actually, I'm kind of fucked up here.
I followed you.
I'm going to sit here because it's dry. Let's have a touch.
It's my baby.
Oh! Yes.
Yes, cuzzy.
What do you have? You got 2, 1 and off.
Yeah,
Oh, mate, you're there.
very toasty.
Oh, yes.
Oh yes.
Mate, they're better than mine.
They're very. When you're going fast, they heat up, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, they heat
Mate,
up
they're
loads.
gorgeous, they are.
Look at that.
1.5 Celsius.
Yeah, yeah. According to that, yeah. Oh mate, that is pure ice.
Martin, stamp on your rear brake, do it.
Oh mate.
Go on, go Sire. So get to see your rear wheels on the ice, but your front isn't. Do a little burnout.
Whoa. Mate, careful when you put your feet down there.
But Dave is on it. Dave, do a burnout.
Last time I tried to do a burnout, well,
Yeah, but the whole body
flipped it. No, because it's slow.
Yeah.
Right?
It's just going to go slow. It's going to go left.
the front steering's right on this. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, yeah. There is no steering. Need to move forward a bit.
Oh my god, it's so slippery.
Yeah.
Fucking
Martin,
hell.
you're right in it, you are.
Yeah.
For fuck's sake.
Go pull up somewhere better if you want. I'm gonna stop.
Mate, your traction control works well.
Yeah, he just fucking grips straight away.
See if it'll let you slip.
Your front wheel's going.
No, it won't let me. It's got enough power. Fucking knew what's on full sends now.
Kitini yalla bulgen yosana sanay Kiregen ogaga solayda Kiregen ogaga solo çigen Kilimştala yeceme sana gadma Sen nereye derin Burası modan oyna halne Burası ay modan oyna halne Can boyum ştala yeceme sana gadna Шуны булген йосына санай Гариген угага цолайлау Гариген угага цолу чиген Барылсына ежеме сана гадна
Right, so that's it on this installment. It's been a fantastic day today. Weather hasn't been too bad. Like I said, I touched down Calf. I think the lowest it got to was -1 this morning, and then it's been steady, sort of between 1 and 4 degrees. It's the highest we've had it now, it's 4 degrees, as it says external temperature on here. So yeah, been interesting. That's all frozen down there as well. Bloody hell. We probably won't be out for a while now, to be fair, because after tonight it's dropping down to -4. I think consecutively over 4 or 5 days, and then after which it's going to be a bit milder, but it's absolutely hammering it down by the looks of it on the app. So we're probably better off just leaving it for a little while. So yeah, not sure when we're going to be out next. But yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. Like and subscribe if you lasted all the way to here, and peace out. Take it easy. Ta-ta. Goodbye for now. Signing off. That is bad. Look at this. Bloody hell. This is after a nice pre-wash. Let's see. Absolutely lovely. It's come up lovely. It's still a bit mucky though, especially getting in there in these crevices.